Hi kitchen friends! Welcome to another episode of Jules Flavor Bliss. In today's episode, I'll be sharing with you one of the most famous and everyone's favorite and known as Philippines' national dish, none other than adobo. But right now, I'll give it a little twist. A new version of adobo. Adobo, Italian style. So come on, join me in my kitchen. We marinate the pork for at least 30 minutes. We sear the meat. Searing the meat is an essential step if you want to make it the most flavorful. And searing it will make the meat very succulent or say very juicy. At this point, we are using a very high heat. To sear is that you caramelize the natural sugar in the meat and brown the proteins, forming a rich brown crust on the surface of the meat. And it will also amplify the savory flavor of the final dish. And we could say that it is one of the powerful tools of every chef and master chef. So we must not skip this process. Now we saute garlic and onion, and we have to use a very moderate fire for this. Then we add the pork. Then we add vinegar. You might notice I've got here a very dark vinegar. Let's also add water. Then we add oregano. This is the secret herb I've been telling you to have that touch of Italian taste. Then laurel or bay leaves. And for the vinegar, have you guessed it right? Yes, it is balsamic vinegar. It gives a darker color to the meat. That's why we're not using any more toyo or soy sauce. And at the same time, it gives a depth of flavor to our adobo. And I have a funny experience with this Italian style adobo. And I was cooking adobo and find out that I don't have any more toyo or soy sauce. And then I used balsamic vinegar and gave a much darker shade to the meat. And something crossed my mind. Why not make an Italian version of this adobo? Our Italian friends love it. And they said, adobo is a Filipino dish, but why is it? It is very Italian. And from then on, I've got this Italian version of adobo. Ta-da! Here's our Italian version of adobo. So succulent and tender. Hope you will try it. So I hope you enjoyed our episode for today. And if you want more recipes for this, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so that you will catch us every Wednesday here in Jill's Flavor Bliss. Please stay tuned because I've got a lot more yummy and easy recipes stored for you. And thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay well. God bless. Bye!